Unlocking the meaning behind raking in the deals. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, raking in the deals. This expression is quite colorful and commonly used in business and everyday conversation. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it effectively in your own conversations. So, let's get started. First off, let's break down the phrase, raking in the deals. This expression consists of two parts, raking in and the deals. To rake in something is an idiom that means to obtain or receive something in large amounts, especially money or profits. It conjures the image of using a rake, a garden tool, to pull in leaves or, metaphorically, anything in abundance. When we talk about the deals, we're referring to business agreements, offers, or sales that are usually advantageous. So, putting it all together, raking in the deals implies successfully securing a large number of beneficial agreements or offers, often in a business context. To better understand how to use raking in the deals, let's look at some examples. In a business setting, our marketing team has been incredibly effective this quarter. We're really raking in the deals with clients. In everyday conversation, did you see the sales at the mall? I was raking in the deals on clothes and electronics. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, not just limited to business but also in personal shopping experiences or any situation where someone is gaining a lot of benefits. Understanding and using phrases like raking in the deals can significantly enhance your English communication skills, especially in professional settings. It reflects a grasp of nuanced expressions and idioms, which are key to sounding fluent and natural. Moreover, it can help you better understand the context in conversations, news articles, or business reports where such expressions are common. We hope this exploration of raking in the deals has been enlightening and adds a useful expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is about piecing together the small details, like idioms and phrases, to fully grasp the big picture. We're excited to see how you'll use this phrase in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.